What's up, y'all? This your boy JP the Install Guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a quick Q&A from one of our fellow TikTokers. It says, I got a 2013 Challenger and I took it to get a stereo install. I got the harness myself, and after they installed it, the steering wheel controls do not work. They told me it was a Dodge thing. I'm gonna let you know right now that they lied to you. But before we get into that, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing, because this is what we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, anything car audio install related. That's what the channel is about. From time to time, I like to share my car audio knowledge, so whether you're a beginner or advanced, this channel just might be for you. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to the Pack Audio website. Hopefully this is the harness that you got, even though there are two different ones that you can use, and we're going to go over both of them. We're going to click on Dodge, we're going to go to Challenger, and we're going to go to 2013, and we're going to go to Search. And this will actually show everything that will fit that 2013 Dodge Challenger. Now, Radio Pro digital radio interface means this is the wire harness that you would use for your radio or for your car to install a radio, and we see that you would need the RP4CH11. Now, this is just the MSRP price. I understand that it's a little expensive. You can get it online for a lot cheaper. Hopefully in store you can get it for a little bit cheaper as well. But if we scroll down to what all this harness would do for you, the number one thing is retains the steering wheel controls, and they are pre-programmed. And what that means is that the install doesn't even have to install steering wheel controls. On these modules, there is a little blue box right there, and that blue box has a dial on the side, and all you have to do is go to the manual, find out what radio you have, turn that dial to the right number and plug it in, and then guess what? Your steering wheel controls work. So if you have a Kenwood or JVC, you will use the steering wheel control wire, which is blue with the yellow stripe. If you have a Pioneer, Alpine, Sony, or something like that, there's a 3.5 millimeter jack that needs to be plugged in. So that's one. We're going to go to the other harness that could have worked for you. The next harness that would have worked is the iDataLink Maestro harness. Right here we have Dodge 2013 Challenger, and I just clicked a radio. I don't know if that's yours or not, but this is just to let you know what this harness would do for you. And right here it shows it would do vehicle information, radar detector integration if you have one of those by the factory. But here we are again, steering wheel controls. Now, the big difference in using this one than the other one is that you have to hook this up to the computer. You would have to flash it, tell it what car is going into, what radio is getting hooked up to, and then everything's just wired up in its normal fashion, and then these steering wheel controls will automatically work as long as you plug them in. So those are two options. If you bought one of those harnesses, then your steering wheel controls should work, and that shop should have took your radio back out and at least checked to see what the problem was, because it might have flashed it and just forgot to plug it in, or they might have turned the dial and forgot to plug it in, or maybe they forgot to hook it up all together. But those are the two harnesses that should work for your vehicle. Take it back to the shop, find out which product that you bought, and have them plug that thing in for you. A lot of guys should take the responsibility of actually warrantying their work and not just telling you that, hey, it's a Dodge thing, the steering wheel controls don't work. I'm here to tell you that your steering wheel controls aren't supposed to work. Go take it back or get your money back. Dude, if you find any value in this quick Q&A, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I would like to take the time to thank all the people who support the channel, whether it be on Patreon or buying these super thanks on YouTube. I really appreciate that. And if you want to learn how to install your CD player correctly, there is a course that I'm creating for you guys that will be available on JPtheinstallguy.com. So don't forget to subscribe to the website, so when those courses become available, you'll be the first to know, and then we can actually get you more comfortable into installing your own stuff so you don't get got by these shops. So whether you're a big do-it-yourselfer, maybe you've been in car audio way back and you're trying to get back into it, or maybe you're inspiring to be an installer, these courses are going to be for you. Until next time, this is your boy JP the Install Guy signing out. Keep going, keep growing, and make sure everybody has a blessed day. Peace.